All right, folks, how you doing? Greg here from affiliatemarketingbiz.com and many other sites. Today, we're going to talk about getting started with affiliate marketing, level 1 certification, and this is 100% free to get started with. No credit cards needed, no nothing. You just sign up with your email address, put your name in there. And please do use my link, and I'll get in touch with you within the first hour or two, and then we can connect, and I can help you out. And other things like that. So, this is a level 1 training with Inside Wealthy Affiliate. It's done by Kyle. He's a co-founder. It was founded in 2005, so you can see right there. Basically, level 1 training if you want to get started with your online business. And by the way, you get free 2 websites as well. When you start as well. So basically we get lesson 1 here, get rolling. And this is just an introduction, bunch of information, quick look at how to be successful, tasks and training, things like this. And this is work at your own pace too. You don't have to, you just, when you're done with things, you just check them off as like over here, and that's pretty much it. So, I mean, there's some videos here. I'm not going to play all these, but a walkthrough below. Put your account set up if you want to do all that. And this is just the basics, setting up your account and stuff like that. And then you go to the next lesson. Understanding how to make money online. This is part 2, obviously. And basically it's just an understanding of how the process works. And you make your websites, your site, customer buys from your site, you make money. And what we teach you here, or what they teach you here, Kyle, Carson, and Jay, is basically how to get traffic to your website, how to build your websites properly, do the correct SEO, all that good stuff. And then basically the circle of thing here, customer buys product, you make money, blah, blah, blah. And there's hundreds of affiliate programs out there. Amazon, Target, eBay, there's just a few. So that is in lesson 2. And then the next lesson will take you through what is a niche. You want to basically build your site around a niche. Something that you're interested in, something you're passionate about. And that's just that little lesson there. So we move forward. And by the way, you can ask questions. There's people here to help you. I'll be here to help you as well. If you sign up through my link, like I said, I'll be instantly connected with you. So use the link in the video below. And there's lots of help. There's live chat here. There's you can actually contact the founders of the company. They're really helpful as well. And there's tech support as well. Different things over here. But anyways, let's get back to some of these lessons here. Next lesson, building your own niche website. So the next lesson is building your own website. Goes into all the detail here. And by the way, there's videos, different videos and stuff along the way. Some of them are in the lesson, some of them are on other pages. So let's go to the next lesson here. Now, I'm just skimming through this. This takes obviously takes more time. Setting up your website. This is getting your website ready. There's a video there as well. It's a 20-minute video. Logging in, set up your password, all that stuff. And this literally takes about 30 seconds to make your website. Putting the content in obviously takes a lot longer. But, and then getting your site ready for search engines is the next part. This is so like when you search in Google, people can find your site, and there's all kind of techniques and things that work, what they teach you in here. So where are we? Getting ready to site for search engines. Sorry, go back to level 1 here. So that's lesson 6, and then 7 is creating your initial website content. 8 is creating your custom menus on your website. 9 is understanding keywords, the start of your business. And then congratulations, the next step. One important thing that I'm just skipping over this because I want to be quicker in this video here. You could just, like I said, click on the link. You'll be instantly accessed to all this information for free with no credit card needed, as I said. If you do want to sign up for premium, I believe it's $19 for the first month, but you don't need to. You can start off with all this. One thing you do want to learn is the keywords. That's how you get the people to your site without spending money on advertising and all that stuff. And that is really, a great lesson, or probably one of the best ones in here. That basically keyword basic, skills. So, and then things come up, and then we have Jaxi here, which is a keyword search tool that we get like I said, they'll show you all the stuff, and I don't want to get too far into this. Basically, so not only do you get the level 1 training here, there's also the premium stuff starts at level 2, 3, 4, 5. And then, so that's 5 levels, but this is the free one, and that gets you started. See if you're into it, see if it's something you want to do, all that kind of stuff. But we also have a boot camp, getting your another lessons here as well. There's 7 phases of this, and the level phase 1 is completely free as well. And this is for promoting Wealthy Affiliate itself, and their affiliate program, because they have a really nice affiliate program. But I don't want to keep you too long. Just check it out. Go to my link, click on the link, and like I said, you'll see me. I'll show you my profile real quick. This is my profile on Wealth Affiliate. May look a little different when you're watching this, but I'll get in contact with you right away. I'll write on your little, I guess, wall here, whatever you want to call it, recent messages. And that is that. Let me just show you this too, the entrepreneur level 1 certificate thing here. These are some feedback, different feedbacks you can read here. This is a great foundation course to get you started on business. Everything is laid out in a simple and easy way to understand format. There are no upsells or any other form or forced payment. Awesome. Yeah, another thing too, I forgot to mention, there's no upsells. If you sign up for the premium membership, there is no upsells. You pay for your domain name separately, but that's not an upsell. That's just something you pay for separately, and everything else is included. And there's so much stuff included. You can watch some of my other videos or just sign up for yourself, and because it can be kind of overwhelming at first. But you can read some of these other what's it called? These testimonies here. And you can see these people, this person's been here since 2009, 2007. These are just different testimonials here. So pretty cool. Check it out. Sign up. And you'll be, like I said, I'll contact you right away. And then we can talk to you then. All right. That's all for now. I will talk to you soon.